I'm thankful for life that you gave me, Lord. My life is safe at home. Please save lives.
My life at home. My life is a gift. My gift that my hands hold is safe at home. With a hope to heal our home, with which hands are regularly washed to defeat coronavirus COVID-19. With a hand sanitizer or a soap and water, I'm ready to defeat this strange and unwanted pandemic. With my personal mask on and concerned about my life and yours, the virus cannot be spread. With no hands touching faces, with no handshakes, stand firm and wise. With symptoms of dry coughing, tiredness with difficulty breathing and fever, ask for help that the virus cannot have a way to kill you. With our good understanding, we receive the chance and hope, staying at home. With friends and family staying in touch, we are praying and playing together, giving a hand to each other. With love in hearts and bodies at distance, we are fighting this battle to win and to save lives today and tomorrow. Shaking with a danger that we see killing everywhere by an invisible threat, the virus cannot move by itself. With instructions that we have in place to stop its spread, follow the given policies. With our businesses at distance, without our safe life, they cannot stand to be prosperous and successful. We are missing each other. We have a hope to shake hands again and to revive our businesses and plans on hold. With a safe life, all will be safe for us. With a breath of life, there is a hope to safely breathe again. With a bread of life, let's share with friends who are starving with hunger and needs, that together we are staying strong and healthy. With a safe water of life, let's save lives and sing again with a good smile, staying at home and dreaming good dreams. With the light of life, let's keep searching and helping those who lost their hope to win this battle of life. With heroes who saved our lives, we are proud and thankful that our gifts are safe in our cleansed hands. With my life at home, yours is safe. With hope to see each other again to party, there will be no worries for dance and hug. With the gift of life, we will not perish. With safety at home, let's stay in touch, safe with hope and effort to save lives.
I'm thankful for life that you gave me, Lord. My life is safe at home. Please save